In a dramatic demonstration of its evolving battlefield doctrine and emphasis on mobility and firepower, the Russian Ministry of Defense has officially unveiled the Yenisei armored train, an upgraded rail-based combat platform bristling with heavy weaponry, most notably the ZU-23-2 twin-barreled anti-aircraft cannon. The formidable war machine, now fully operational, is intended for frontline logistical support, troop transportation, and multi-domain firepower projection along contested railway corridors, especially in conflict zones such as eastern Ukraine. Named after the vast Siberian River, the Yenisei is a direct evolution of Cold War-era armored trains that once patrolled Soviet borders. While the concept of rail-bound combat vehicles might seem antiquated in the era of drones and hypersonic missiles, the Yenisei proves otherwise, combining traditional steel-clad resilience with modern combat systems. This latest iteration is designed to perform combat escort missions, counter-sabotage operations, and secure critical railway infrastructure, which remains vital for Russia's vast land logistics, particularly in regions plagued by guerrilla-style warfare and drone harassment. According to Russian defense sources, the Yenisei is equipped with advanced composite armor plating, sensor arrays, electronic warfare modules, and surveillance drones that provide real-time battlefield awareness. But the centerpiece of its firepower, and the focus of this week's reveal, is the ZU-23-2 23mm twin-barrel anti-aircraft gun, a Soviet design re-engineered for modern asymmetrical threats. Mounted on one of the flatbed carriages of the Yenisei, the ZU-23-2 anti-aircraft cannon is a battle-tested weapon known for its reliability and devastating close-range firepower. With a rate of fire up to 2,000 rounds per minute and an effective range of 2.5 kilometers against air targets, the gun is ideal for shooting down low-flying drones, helicopters, and even light aircraft. It also doubles as an anti-personnel and anti-vehicle weapon in ground support roles. Russian engineers have modified the ZU-23-2 for remote operation, stabilizing the platform for rail-mounted firing and integrating it with thermal optics, laser rangefinders, and digital fire control systems. The cannon can now engage targets with improved accuracy, day or night, while the operators remain protected inside an armored command car. The Yenisei is composed of multiple heavily armored railcars, including command and control car, equipped with communications, battlefield management systems, and drone control stations. Troop transport cars, designed to carry up to 100 soldiers with ballistic protection and onboard life support systems. Medical evacuation car, outfitted with surgical and trauma care facilities for frontline injuries. Flatbed gun platforms, mounting the ZU-23-2, NSV 2.7mm heavy machine guns, and AGS-30 automatic grenade launchers. Engineering cars, carrying repair equipment, rail reinstallation tools, and unmanned robotic mine clearance devices. Notably, the train also features armored reconnaissance drones and a short-range jamming system capable of disrupting commercial UAVs, which have become an increasing threat on the battlefield. Though exact deployment locations remain classified, reports suggest that the Yenisei has already been observed operating in Russian-controlled sections of eastern Ukraine, particularly in areas where Ukrainian sabotage teams have targeted rail lines used for ammunition and troop movement. Its visibility appears to be as much psychological as tactical, a rolling symbol of Russian firepower and defiance. Defense analysts note that the train's primary purpose is to secure logistics arteries, deter ambushes, and serve as a rapid response platform to unexpected attacks in volatile rearguard areas. In contested zones where traditional wheeled or tracked vehicles are vulnerable to mines, IEDs, and ambushes, the Yenisei's rail-bound stability offers certain advantages, assuming control of the track can be maintained. The appearance of the Yenisei has sparked a flurry of reactions on social media and in military circles. Russian state outlets hailed it as a symbol of unbreakable will and technological rebirth, while critics abroad question the practicality of deploying armored trains in 21st century warfare. NATO military planners reportedly expressed concern that such platforms could serve as mobile fire bases or be used to rapidly reinforce positions during large-scale offensives, particularly in hybrid warfare scenarios. Ukrainian defense officials, speaking anonymously, noted that while the train presents a novel threat, it also provides a large and highly visible target for long-range artillery or loitering munitions. Nonetheless, Russia appears committed to the doctrine. A second train, the Baikal, is rumored to be under construction, reportedly featuring short-range missile launchers and enhanced EW suites. With the unveiling of the Yenisei, Russia is signaling its willingness to blend historical military concepts with contemporary battlefield needs. In a war marked by drones, precision strikes, and electronic warfare, the emergence of an armored train outfitted with 23mm cannons and drone fighting tech is both an echo of the past and a forecast of a more hybrid, adaptive future of combat. As conflict zones shift and infrastructure remains a critical vulnerability, armored trains like the Yenisei may find renewed relevance, not as relics of war, but as mobile fortresses defending the veins of military supply.